Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm gonna jump right into action, honey. Getting this living room ready for the fall season. Today I'm participating in a collaboration, but I'll get to all of that in just a little while. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this fall living room together. Along with my sisters, today I am co-hosting the Home Decor Luxe Club's Vlogtober Collab. All the fall vibes. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure that you visit all of my sisters' channels for some awesome decorating inspiration. So here I had a little change of heart. The grandfather clock in the corner to me was making the room feel a little crowded. So what I did was I took the side table that was in the other corner, moved the grandfather clock into the dining room, and you'll see that later, and then placed that side table in the corner where the grandfather clock was. It's not as tall, it's less of a presence, and I felt that it made the room feel more open. Let me know what you think in those comments. And I also had to declutter behind the couch. Behind here, I store all of my extras, toilet paper, paper towels, laundry soap, things like that. And I had a big cluttered mess back there. A whole thing of pandemic toilet paper when there was no toilet paper in the store. Industrial toilet paper. I also came up with two looks for my chaise lounge on the other side of the room. The first look, I used the white throw and white pillow. In the second look, I used the white throw as well, but I folded it in half and placed it over the back of the throw. Then I put the white pillow in front and added a purple pillow to the very front and used my purple throw at the end of the chair. Let me know which of these looks you like best. And last but not least, let me tidy up this plant area over here. A lot of my plants are still outside enjoying the nice weather. But for those that are inside, I have a lot of dead leaves, and then I want to make sure to clean the window sills and my statues that I keep over here in the window, just to make this area nice and tidy and ready for fall as well. Oh, by the way, if you have not tried these Tough wipes from Dollar Tree, they are awesome. I think it's a pack of either 150 or 200, so you get plenty in there and they last quite a long time and they get the job done. So give them a try. So let me get back to work and make sure you stick around for the reveal. For this fall look, I took it back to my signature color. Gotta have purple for fall, y'all. You better believe it. So I've incorporated some of my beautiful mannequin head statues and purple pillows and purple accents to bring back the beautiful color that I love. And I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Please be sure to stop by all of my YouTube sisters' channels for some awesome fall decorating ideas. Tune in every Saturday at 6 p.m. this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration to get your living spaces ready for fall. And until next time.